I just wanted to give you a breakdown in terms of what's happening in the next few months with Pixelhaze Academy. Every so often, myself and the team get together and we plan out the next 3 to 5 years. And this year has been no different. We've put a plan in place and we're going to make a couple of tweaks. One thing that's important out of the gate is we're still 100% committed to helping people down the DIY route, where we provide free content and information to help you as much as possible, whether you're looking to just get a professional looking Squarespace website done on a shoestring budget, where you don't have any additional budget to get paid help and support, or you're looking to kickstart your web design career and you have zero income at the moment, whether you're a high school or undergraduate student, or you're in between jobs. The next step up that we are fully committed to is the done with you approach, but we're tweaking how this is done, and I'll be coming back to this in just a few moments as to what that means. The third option, which is something that we've been doing for the last 11 years at Pixelhaze Studio, and that is a done-for-you approach. If you're looking for a professional designer who specializes in Squarespace and is able to navigate between the latest design techniques and also being able to build their own plugins and custom code, handle all the go-live process, have tried and tested systems, and a collection of several hundred websites under the belt, then you can absolutely contact us at Pixelhaze Studio and we can help on those projects. But the one thing I wanted to talk about today is that middle-of-the-road approach with a done with you. And if we're speaking honestly, it's something that we've found that our coaching community on Skool has done really well. In terms of the people we've helped through it, we've had wonderful feedback from it, and thank you very much for that. The challenge we found with that is it kind of sits too much in between each option. So we have been trying to put on several support sessions per week, 5 or 6 per week. And what we find is that during projects where someone will want to build their website or revamp it, they're using those support blocks extensively. Wonderful, that's exactly what we wanted. But we found that a lot of them in between then go dormant, so we're logging in and no one's jumping in on those calls. So what we're going to do is we're going to streamline our Skool communities. So the coaching community now will be combined with our free DIY community on the Skool platform. That's Skool. That's still free for everyone to jump in. We will still be monitoring it regularly and helping people for free via that community. And then we're going to make it pay as you go for that middle option. So we can still jump in and help you whilst you're building your Squarespace sites. And if I'm being honest, it's really easy money for us because what we're doing is sharing our experience and expertise without having to take on responsibility for the entire project like we do with the studio projects. And that's why we can do it at a much lower rate. And the pay as you go option will be available very soon, where you can just contact us through Pixelhaze Academy or Pixelhaze Studio, jump into one of our calendars, book a time slot, pay in advance, and then we will be able to solve, in most instances, a huge number of issues in one call. And if it's clear in the first 10 or 15 minutes of a call that we can't help you, then we will refund you 100% for that session. What we're looking to do is to provide a more hands-on solution for those in our free community without members having to pay a full project cost, unless, of course, that's what they need. And having that clear separation between the done with you, the helping you whilst you're taking responsibility for your project, and then we take on full responsibility with our processes and procedures to create an agency-level solution using platforms like Squarespace. So hopefully that will clear it up. So we're going to be winding down from this week our coaching community. If you are a paid-up member of our coaching community and you need a call in the near future, just drop me a direct message through Skool or contact the team member that you've been liaising with, and we will book a specific one-to-one session. And we will do that for the next couple of weeks, as many as needed to get the job done. So we're not leaving you in the lurch in any way. We're just tightening things up now and providing what hopefully will be a clear separation between our service offering. So if you're not a member of Pixelhaze Academy, head over to pixelhaze.academy, go to the membership page, sign up then. We'll send you information about our Skool community so you can join that and add that then completely free of charge. And then information about courses and free plugins and other goodies that we have available every month for you. If you want help with your website here and now, whether it's someone to assist you or whether someone to take over it and build the project for you, then head over to pixelhaze.studio and get in touch. Finally, I just wanted to say that we are fully committed to creating more helpful free content to demystify technology and help you solve problems. Catch you next time.